Just a reminder that in order to get to the app, you're going to need to stay signed out of your Chromebook and then go down to the apps in the lower left-hand corner. Tap on apps and tap on Bluebook. Sign in with your College Board account. Tap I'm a student and put in your email and your College Board password. Just a couple things about the test. Once you're in, there are directions at the top that'll tell you all about your test. You can close those out. If you like the timer, you can keep it. If you want to hide it, you can hide it. If you're reading a passage and you decide you want to annotate it, and we recommend that you do that, you want to first select the text that you want, tap the annotate tool, and then if you want to leave a note, if you're not quite sure of the answer, you can use the process of elimination and take out the ones that you know are not the answer. And then once you've decided to choose the answer, you're good to go to the next one, or you can mark it for review to come back to it later. Just a couple of things. Zoom in and zoom out. If you can't see something very well, you can hit Control plus to zoom in or Control minus to zoom out. Let's look a little bit at the question menu. So at the bottom of the screen, there will be a menu that will allow you to navigate to any question in this section. Keep in mind there is no penalty for guessing, so you shouldn't leave any questions unanswered. If for some reason you have a technical difficulty during the test and you need to restart the app, it's no worries because it will save all of your progress. You simply hit restart the app and it will resume testing where you left off. In this More option, there is also an unscheduled break in case you need to take a restroom break. And when you get to the end, you of course can exit the exam.